I'm Bill Hand with today's Coronavirus Daily Update. Here's the coronavirus breakdown for North Carolina as of 11 a.m. Wednesday, according to the North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services. They run these statistics each day and update them at 11 a.m. To date, North Carolina has seen 3,426 laboratory-confirmed cases with 53 deaths. 90 people are listed as being hospitalized. The NCDHHS also reports the following tallies in local counties: Craven, 19, Carteret, 18, Pamlico, 3, Lenoir, 11, and Onslow, 23, with 1 death. The state's health department does not list Jones County as having any cases, although Jones County officials on Tuesday announced that it had 2 persons hospitalized for COVID-19. District Attorney Scott Thomas, among many others, are warning people to be aware of possible scams during this coronavirus epidemic. One scam involves a scammer contacting people and telling them that he can speed up the arrival of their government stimulus checks. That isn't going to happen, folks. Others include investments and phony cures and charging people in advance for non-existent home tests or phony cures or fake gear or even overpriced toilet paper. The Federal Trade Commission reports that through March 31st, Americans filed scam losses of nearly $6 million, while the Better Business Bureau has been so troubled by it that they've started up a COVID-19 category on their scam tracker. The town of Beaufort in Carteret County has become the latest community to lay out that go-away mat. According to the Daily News writer Amanda McReynolds, Beaufort began an entry checkpoint today, and if you don't have proper documentation, you're not getting into the town. The step was taken by the city in an attempt to cut back on the coronavirus epidemic spread. The following can enter: those residing in Carteret County full-time, anyone sheltering in place in Beaufort and nowhere else, those engaging in essential business, outdoor service, or essential government business, and anyone providing necessary care for a Beaufort resident. Any vehicle entering the town must provide a driver's license or military ID with a Carteret County address, or a COVID-19 entry pass is issued by the town of Beaufort. To apply for those passes, you should email entrypass@beaufortnc.org. On the national scene, the death toll has approached 15,000 across the nation earlier today, with more than 430,000 confirmed cases. 6.6 million Americans filed for unemployment this week, down slightly from last week's record 6.8 million. And stimulus checks will begin arriving in most people's bank accounts next week. Money the government is sending to help families meet rent, grocery needs, and other bills. If the IRS is already in control of your bank account, we don't want that to happen yet. On the national scene, the death toll is approaching 15,000 as of earlier today, with more than 4,000. On the national scene, the death toll has approached 15. On the national scene, the death toll has approached 15,000 as of earlier today, with more than 430,000 confirmed cases of COVID-19. 6.6 million Americans filed for unemployment this week, down slightly from last week's record 6.8 million. And stimulus checks will begin arriving in most people's bank accounts next week. Money the government is sending out to help families meet rent, grocery needs, and other bills. If the IRS already has your bank account information, you could get your check as early as April 13th. If they don't have your account information, you're going to have to wait just a little bit longer. I'm Bill Hand, and this has been your Coronavirus Daily Report of the New Bern Sun Journal for April 9th, 2020. Have a good day.